what can we do to export that? I would go to bulk export response codes, and I would go to internal, which means our website, not external links that are going to Wikipedia or somewhere else. And I would do redirect 3xx in links. And now it's a complicated way to say it, but what this means is that these are the broken links on our website that are going over to these pages. And so now I would do Arnold Masonry, right, dash, and then it would be these broken links. So I would just say dash broken links. This is going to export a list of broken links, or sorry, they actually go to redirect links. So my bad, redirect links, and it will give us the full list of sourced and destination. You can see, okay, so gallery links to these weird gallery URLs that we need to fix that link there. And let's see how many we have here. You look here, should be able to, it seems to not be counting it. If I scroll down, we have tons of these redirect links. This is 2,300 rows of redirect links.